Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today was a setup before the FOMC, right? We built pretty good liquidity now. So left shoulder, head, possible right shoulder tomorrow off of here, and then test 5-day, right? Which is gonna come up right here, right? So that's the play, test 5-day, and then see if we form that right shoulder head off of 5-day, and then close this possible inverse cup right here, right? And then take it from here all the way down, right? To possibly the gap close all the way 652, right? So we have pretty good moves. It's just you have to wait for setups tomorrow, right? And then if we head up, right, left shoulder head, then we need to open up higher, right? And then just use, like I said, another pink up here. I'm just gonna draw it. So another pink. Right here, right, and then bounce up, and then we potentially have a 50-point move there, right? So we have good ways to go up if we are going it up, but be careful, don't get trapped, and wait for a good risk reward, because you see the tapering right here, right? So pay attention to the tapering. Don't chase if it's not a good risk to reward, right? Especially during FOMC. Just wait for the good setup and then take the trade. But I also want to go through intraday with you guys, right? But okay, also if the first trade that I would look for if we are headed down, right, is for this to close again, right? And then left shoulder head, right shoulder off of here, and then close this gap at 658.30 or 20, right? So that level. But yeah, let me show you the possible trades for today. I can show you first off. Well, I want to show you guys off of really just the best trade really was left shoulder head, the right shoulder right here, and that was like near the end of the day. And I think I took a little bit of I think I took a trade from here as well, all the way down, and then this right here, right? So two trades today, and I'll show you that in 5-day, right? So right here, love in a hopeless place. So what happened was we closed the cup right here, right? Inverse cup right here, formed this beautiful handle, right? And there was no continuation. So what happened, you could have either taken it from orange right here, or what you could have done is taken it from orange right here as well, two trades, and then you notice that there's a lack of continuation right here where we tapered at blue, and then you really had to protect there, like because we had the purple on the 5-minute, right? So we had the purple right here, so you could see that it was like tapering down, right? So we always have to protect, right? Because to get a confirmation, what we would have had to seen, right, is like drop all the way here, then use right shoulder from right here, right? So that would have been a more confirmation of a true short, but we weren't in that, so you really had to protect aggressively. And then I'm going to show you the trade later in the day, right? So you can see that we're just tapering right off of blue. This was also another good trade, left shoulder head, right shoulder off of blue right here, but then you see that we are just tapering, and then we actually did close this cup right here, and then what happened was we actually broke below orange, right? So again, this is not a confirmed short either, right? Because we're still in these blues, right? So you need to really take profits, right? Especially where the key support is. But really the trade was this orange again right here, right? So left shoulder head, right shoulder off of orange right here, and all the way down, right? And really basically all you have to pay attention to today was the orange and blue, right? So those are the key algos. Because like if you just saw blue right here, you can see the tapering, right? And then could really take it left shoulder head, right shoulder off of here, right? And then grabbing the liquidity as well off of blue right here, left shoulder head, right shoulder all the way up, right? And close the cup right here, right? And then the handle, right? So you can't be fully short yet tomorrow. Intraday we did have a bullish structure, right? So tomorrow if we open higher, right, wait for at least, right, like I said, wait for at least a test of pink right here, right? And then take it all the way up. Like there's a big way up, right? At least a 50-point move, right? So don't worry, don't trade any of like within right here, right? Wait for the better structure and then take it from there. And especially because of FOMC, and so yeah, just trade as structure demands. Be careful tomorrow, and don't over trade, especially in the morning, right? Morning, we're probably gonna get that set up, right? Like either here or right here. So let it go in the morning, right? And then hopefully afternoon we can get that set up and then take it all the way up, right? Or down. But anyways, yeah, that's the video for today. I have a event to go to. So excited for that. Pray for me, guys. I love you guys. See you guys tomorrow.